Hello scholars, how are you all? I'm Miss Neelam Modi, your social science educator. Children, this is the fourth video of our chapter introducing the past, right? Today we are going to learn more things about the modern period and we'll solve the workbook. मॉडर्न पीरियड में हमने अभी तक देखा दैट वी विल रिकॉल फर्स्ट वर्ड मॉडर्न मीन्स प्रेजेंट और recent times. Modo is a Latin word which means now. Then we have seen that in India modern period begins in 1757 CE, right? Then children, we have seen these trading companies become more powerful with the decline of Mughal rule. Mughal rule modern period में हुआ था, but जैसे जैसे मुगल रूल खत्म होते गया तब ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज इंडिया में बहुत सारी ट्रेडिंग कंपनीज ट्रेड करने के लिए आई, बट वन ऑफ द मोस्ट strongest trading company was English East India Company. This is the picture of English East India Company, which was of Britain. उसने बहुत सारे इंडियन रूलर्स को हराया and become very powerful. The company brought many regions under its controls. बहुत सारे regions उसके control में भी आ गए थे. The British brought new ideas to our country. Railways बनाए, roads बनाए, English medium school बनाए, but exploited Indians को बहुत गंदे से treat किया. तो Indian rulers को भी गुस्सा आया था. So they revolted in 1857. Right? This revolt was crushed and Queen of England began to rule India. ये यहाँ तक हमने ये स्टोरी हमने यहाँ तक देखी थी that Queen of England began to rule India till 1857. Children, 1857 revolt was the very powerful revolt of British against the Britishers, जिसमें बहुत सारे traders, businessmen, soldiers, everyone was included. Okay, but वो revolt नहीं चला था, right? Now after the few years, रिवॉल्ट के फ्यू इयर्स के बाद बहुत सारे इंडियंस एजुकेटेड थे, उन्होंने पॉलिटिकल ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बनाया टू फ्री इंडिया फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश रूल. दिस ऑर्गेनाइजेशन वाज नेम्ड एज इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस. Indian National Congress was one such organization which led India to the freedom struggle. This was the birth of Indian National Congress, in which many Indian educated peoples participated. It was formed in 1885. 1885 में फॉर्म हुआ था. महात्मा गांधी joined the Indian freedom struggle and many movements he formed. After a long period of struggle, India finally gained independence from the British rule on 15th August 1947. 1885 में इंडियन नेशनल कांग्रेस हुआ. उसके बाद गांधी जी ने इंडियन फ्रीडम स्ट्रगल के बहुत सारे मूवमेंट्स किए दैट विल स्टडी इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड. ये बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग चैप्टर्स हैं इन द नेक्स्ट स्टैंडर्ड, सो इसीलिए ये अभी बहुत ज़्यादा इम्पॉर्टेंट है. So after the lots of struggle, India finally got independence in 1947. Children, this was all about the chapter of the Indian history, which is divided into three parts: ancient, medieval, and modern. Children, textbook exercise will be sent to you through the PDF format, through which you can make the notes, hard words, words to know, short answers and long answers. और टेक्स्ट बुक की खुद की जो एक्सरसाइज है वो आपको खुद टेक्स्ट बुक में ही करनी है, स्टूडेंट्स बुक में ही करनी है. दैट यू डोंट हैव टू राइट इन नोटबुक. इन नोटबुक you will only write hard words to know, short answer and long answer, which will be sent to you through the PDF format. Now we'll start with the workbook worksheet. Worksheet 1 is on page number 26. See children, in this ऐसे box दिया है पेज नंबर 26 में, given below few years. ये few years है through which हमको लिखना है कौन सा इवेंट कौन से ईयर में हुआ था. For example, I have taken slave dynasty founded by कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक. कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक ने slave dynasty कब बनाई थी? So answer is 1206 CE. कब बनाई थी? 1206 CE. Now next is decline of Delhi Sultanate. Delhi Sultanate कब decline हुआ? So answer is 1526 CE. 1526 CE में दिल्ली सल्तनत खत्म हुआ. In this way you will find out the remaining, ये सारे जो remaining years है वो कौन से years में क्या events हुए थे, that you have to search from the students book and you have to do it by yourself. Now we'll go ahead with the worksheet number 2, that is on page number 27. Page number 27 पे है. Identify the picture. Children, ये हमने connect to the students classes में भी किया है. That's why I'm taking only one picture of you. for you. This temple is, ये कौन सा temple है? बृहदेश्वरा temple. Children, for this options are given in the bracket, उसमें से ही select करना है. And this picture is of बृहदेश्वरा temple. Only remaining 3 are there that you have to do it by yourself. And I know that everybody has already done it. Okay. Now we'll go ahead with worksheet 3, page number 28. The name of the some historical personalities are given in the box. सारी historical personalities का नाम दिया है. We have to sort them under the suitable category. वो एशियन पीरियड में आता है, medieval में आता है या modern period में आता है. Okay, so we have to categorize them. Now ancient period में मैंने यहाँ से कुछ लिए हैं, वो है अशोका. Then I have taken from medieval period, that is Razia Sultan and Muhammad Ghori, वो medieval period के हैं. And modern period के जो है वो है महात्मा गांधी. Okay, so rest जो बाकी बचे हैं, you have to find out कि वो Asian period के हैं, medieval के हैं या modern के हैं, and you have to list it down in the workbook itself. Okay. Now we'll go ahead with the worksheet number 4, that is on page number 29. Name of the some sources of history are given in the help box. ये history के थोड़े sources हैं. Find them in the word grid. अभी inscription है, manuscripts है, coins है, paintings है, वो आपको find out करना है. Puzzle type है, right? I know you all can do this. It's very interesting also. I have done here 2 manuscripts और inscription मैंने किया है. See children, this is the manuscript. ये पूरा manuscript है. In this way I have find out inscription also. So this is inscriptions, right? In this way you can find out coins, paintings. See यहाँ पे paintings है. I'll not say more, huh? Now you have to do it by yourself. Okay, children. So I know that you will enjoy this worksheet and you'll complete it. And in the next year we complete this chapter, textbook and workbook. Everything we complete over here. And everything will be sent to you. All the notes will be sent to you in the PDF format. Through this you can maintain the proper notes. I hope you enjoyed the videos and you enjoyed the chapter, and you will take care of yourself. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.